Hey, good morning, everybody. I'll be a Scrum Master for today. Let's just start with our routine checkup about what we have done. So, for me, I've actually completed the application for the Tendermint. We should do the verification of the blog, and it would serve as the main body of the blog itself. So, what have you done, Jialen?
I did the file uploading part for the traceback, which whereby the user will on the website they will upload a pcat file that they want to do traceback on. Then the problem I faced was putting the reference to the file location in the database. Then I followed some websites, then I put step by step, following where they put their models. Then I was able to successfully save a file in the database, the reference to the file in the database, and also save it in a directory in the Django base directory. Then another problem I faced was also implementing a drag and drop file feature, but problem hasn't been solved yet because I need to get the correct key name in order to refer to it in views.py. Yeah, so if I solve that, then I'll be able to solve the drag and drop problem.
Yeah, Tian, do you have any reports?
So for me, as mentioned in one of the previous Scrum meetings, I mentioned that the Wireshark does not show the changed ID and TDL value. So I went online to search. Yeah. Then after a long time, I found out that it was a IP table rule that we must add in order for the change to happen. So it's a output rule so that the packet is emitted from the host, like myself, when I do the sending. Yeah. Then after seeing the change, there was a problem that the destination does not give me a reply when I do a ping, when it should give me a reply. Because I request, then it should give me a reply, but there's no reply from the destination when I do it in Docker. So I think the problem is the checksum issue, because when I enable the checksum checking on Wireshark, they flagged it down and said that there was a bad checksum. So I think the problem is most probably the checksum.
Jia, do you have any report about your progress?
Okay, so yesterday I tried merging Jia Tian's PPM together with my MTXN code, but I realized that some part of the code will block my receiving socket. So she have already changed that part, and then we also did some testing to curl to the Tendermint, but then we realized that the transaction number hasn't been changed. So it's probably because of the base. It's probably because of the curl command. So we have changed it to base 64. Yeah, so we'll test it out more in that one. Yeah.
For me, I've been working on improving the Django web interface layout. So what I have done was that I started using admin LTE dashboard, which basically like a template of sorts to design our web interface. And I also started using Bootstrap, which adds a lot of functionalities to our website, such as enabling box view and yeah.
So have you met any difficulty while implementing those features?
Understanding the template was a minor challenge for me, but I was able to overcome it quite quickly. Other than that, there was not much major issues when trying to implement the new layout.
Interesting. So now we'll proceed to the task allocation, okay? So from what I've heard from Song Chen, you have successfully explored and implemented some of the Bootstrap and design feature. So maybe this sprint session you would like to continue on that and then make the website look better in general, and then to finalize the design with the Scrum Master or the project owner. Then for Jia Yi, you should continue investigating the curl commands issue yeah, probably we can try to finish it within the next sprint and report the progress tomorrow. Then for Jia Tian, right, what you were doing is the IP header error, the checksum of the IP header error, right? So what I'll suggest you do now is you actually can look into the issue and fix it by the next meeting. Then for Jia En, you have completed your previous task. So what we'll do this sprint, we'll actually implement the traceback page on the website, and the requirement would be that you need to talk to our backend server. So you have about 2 days to do it. Is that alright?
Yes.
Yeah, then for myself, I'll be doing the traceback algorithm to rebuild the path from the attack path from the destination node. And with that, we'll end our meeting here. So get to work, guys.
Okay.